Hello everyone, welcome to our channel tech.business. So let's open PowerPoint. We'll choose a blank presentation. So this is the menu bar. This is the standard toolbar. Here we have the title bar. This is the outline pane and this page is called a slide. So a slide can be deleted as well as added. We can also change the layout of a slide. So with this we can add a slide. By right clicking, we can click on delete slide. We can see that these two slides have different layouts. We can change the layout of the first slide and make it similar. So here I'll add the topic. I'll add a design to my slide. Here I can add some pictures. I can resize the picture. Also I'll change the formatting of the topic. I'll increase the size to 54 and change it to Algerian and make it bold, italic, and I'll shadow the text. Then I'll change the color of the text to yellow, or I'll change it to black. After that we'll come to the next slide, and here we can write that what is a climate change. I'll change the formatting. I'll increase the size to 48 and change the font. After that I'll write the body. I can add another bullet as well, like climate can be different for different seasons. So I can change the style of the bullet. I can even make it to the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 or ABCD. After that I'll convert it to smart art. Now by right clicking, I'll add a new slide. Here I'll write evidence. I'll change the formatting. After that I'll add a picture. I'll resize the image. Now I'll add another slide from the new slide option, and I'll choose the layout, title and content. Here I'll write the topic first, which is how do you know climate change is real. So I'll change the formatting. Now for this I have collected some data, so I'm just going to open that. From here we can copy the data and we can paste it from this option. We can change the style of the bullet, or we can even make it to numberings. After that we'll add a new slide. We'll write the topic as causes. We'll change the formatting. First we'll change the font, then we'll bold it, make it italic. I can copy the image as well and paste it in this by Ctrl+V and resize the image. Also I can double click on the image and I can format the image. For example, we can choose bevel rectangle. After that we are going to add a new slide, and here in the topic we'll write, why is climate change happening? We'll change the formatting. First we'll change the font, then the size. We'll make it bold and italic. After that I'll open my document and I'll copy the data from here by right clicking on it and clicking on copy. After that I'll click on the option of paste and I'll change the style of bullet. Then I'll add a new slide. Here on this slide I'll write the topic as effects. I'll change the formatting. And I'll add an image. I'll resize the image. Then we'll add a new slide and add the topic as, what are the effects of climate change? Here we'll change the font, then the size, we'll make it bold and italic. After that I'll go to my document and I'll copy the data from here and I'll paste it over here. Now I'll change the style of the bullets. For example, I'll do this time this bullet. After that I'll add a new slide and the topic will be solutions. Here I'll add an image. I'll resize the image. And I will also change the formatting of the title. I'll change the font, then its size. I'll make it bold and italic. After that, we'll add a new slide. The topic of the slide will be what is being done to solve climate change. I'll change the formatting. Make it bold and italic. And I will write next few slides show the solutions of climate change. I can make the text direction horizontal, vertical. I can align the text at the top. After that, I'll go to a new slide, and this time I'll change the layout to content. Here I'll write the first solution as Unite for bold climate action. Now on the left side, I'll add an image. On the right side, I'll add the text. I'll copy the text from here and go on PowerPoint and paste it. Now I can change the style of the bullets. Now I'll add another slide in which I'll write the second solution, which will be to use energy wisely and save money too. On the left side, I'll add an image, and on the right side, I'll add my content. After that, I'll change the style of the bullet. And I'll also change the formatting of the title. And the size as well. I'll change the formatting of the first one as well. Now, to avoid changing the formatting again and again, I'll right click on it. I'll duplicate the slide. Now I can make the changes here. Third solution will be get charged up with renewables. Now I'll change the picture here. And I'll change the content too. I'll copy my content and paste it over here. and I'll change the bullet style to this. After that, I'll add a new slide and I'll write the fourth and the last solution, which is green your commute. I'll change the formatting and the size as well. I'll make it bold and italic, and on the left side I'll add the image, and on the right side I'll copy my content. And now I'll change the bullet style. Now I can make my slide more beautiful by adding some transitions. For example, in this slide I can add curtains, this one. In the second one I'll add follower, then I'll add origami, and so on. We can add the transitions in all the slides. Here I'll add switch, then I'll add clock. After that I'll add vortex, then I'll be adding after that I'll add box, and then window, then I'll add fly through, and also I can have a last slide which is blank, and I can add a text box from here, and I can write here thank you. I can make it big, in the center, and I can make it a smart art. I can also add transition to this slide. Now also I can add animations. Fly in. Like I'll add this image as fly in. Another one as random bars. Then wheel. Then we can add this image as grow and turn. After that, this image can be shape, and so on. We can add animations to all the images. We can also make our images more beautiful by double clicking on it, and we can go to picture effects, and we can go to present, and we can change its style. We can change the border color, can also change the picture layout. Like for this image as well, we can double click on it. We can change the border color, and we can change the picture effects. We can go to present and we can make it present 5. Like this we can change the picture effect for all the images. So let's have a slideshow from the beginning. Now if we want, we can also add voice to the transitions. For example, the first one I can add breeze. Second one I can add as time. Third one I can add as click. You can also change the transitions. Like for this image, I want it to be swivel, so I can change it accordingly. And this image as well, I want it to be random bars, so it is changed. Now let's have a final slideshow. Thank you everyone for watching our video. I hope you liked it.